Welcome back to my Canvas Crusade channel. Today we're diving back into Halloween projects and I'm super excited to share how I created this spooky Halloween design that I'll be using to sell mugs, totes and t-shirts. Plus, I'll introduce you to an awesome free site where you can create your own unique images. And guess what? No Photoshop required. Let's get started. First, we head over to playground.com where you can sign up for free with something as simple as your Google account. Once logged in, click to the Start Design from Image button. I absolutely love this feature because it lets me upload an image I like and Playground transforms it into something unique. It's like having a magic wand for my designs. For example, here I'm telling Playground to transform the cactus cowboy into a scary Halloween cactus. And guess what? Even though I misspelled a word, Playground still understood exactly what I wanted. How great is that? It's like Playground reads my mind, or maybe it's casting a spell on my designs. And look at this, just wow! This new image is incredible, right? Absolutely unbelievable. Next step, right-click on the image, select Save Image As, and download it to your computer. Now that we have our custom Halloween cactus design, let's head over to Canva. In Canva, I already have my design open. Upload the image you just created in Playground and then dropped it into your design. First things first, remove the background to make your image stand out. Now, here's where the magic happens. Select your image, click on Edit and then Shadows and choose Outline. This is where you can customize the outline to fit your design. You can pick any color for the outline, white, red, pink, whatever works best for your Halloween theme. I'm going with a clean white outline to really make the cactus pop and give it that classic spooky vibe. It's almost like adding a ghostly glow to your image. And that's it. We've just learned how to add a white border to an image in Canva, or as I like to call it, giving your image a little Halloween spirit. This method works perfectly for Halloween designs, posters and more. But you're not done yet. To finalize my design, I'm going to add some spooky text using two of my favorite Halloween fonts. Let me show you how it's done. This part is one of my favorites. But before we continue, don't forget to check out my video on the best Halloween fonts. I'll leave the link in the description for you. Once the design is complete, I'll download it and upload it back into Canva to use it with their mockup section. Canva makes it super easy to create mockups for t-shirts, totes, and mugs. Let me walk you through it. Check this out. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this project as much as I did. Let me know in the comments if you heard of Playground before and whether you're using it in your designs. And here's a fun question for you. What's your favorite Halloween design to work on? Maybe spooky mugs, posters, or something totally unique? I'd love to know. As you've probably guessed by now, I'm a sucker for Halloween. It's been my favorite time of year since I was a kid. Maybe it's because Halloween is the only time where being spooky is cool. I've always been a fan of that. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that notification bell so you can never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy Halloween crafting!